If you've ever managed a project in Asana and struggled to keep team members on the same page about what needs to happen first, you're in the right spot. Today, I'm going to show you how to link tasks in Asana using dependencies. By the end of this tutorial, you'll understand exactly how to mark which tasks are waiting on others, and, just as importantly, why task linking can make your workflow way smoother and more transparent. Let's dive straight in. First off, let's talk about task dependencies. These are perfect if you want to flag one task as blocked by another. Dependencies make it super clear to your team which work can start right away and what needs to wait until something else is finished. Think of it like building a Lego set. You can't put the roof on until the walls are up. Linking tasks keeps everyone from trying to jump ahead and getting stuck. So, step 1. Set task dependencies. I really recommend using these, especially when you have tasks that simply cannot move forward until something else is complete. It saves a ton of back and forth chatting and helps avoid those moments where someone starts work only to realize they're missing a crucial piece. Next, you'll want to open the dependent task, the one that can't start yet. In Asana, just click on the task in your project board or list. This brings up the details on the right side of your screen. You're going to spend most of your time here when linking tasks, so just pause for a second and double-check you have the right task open. For example, if your designer can't start on the logo until the brand colors are chosen, open up the Design Logo task since it's waiting on that previous step. Now, look for the Dependencies tab or field in the Details area, usually on the right. It might also say Blocked By. They sometimes change the wording depending on your Asana setup, but it's easy to spot. If you don't see it, don't worry. You might just need to click Show More Details or expand the pane. Once you're in the Dependencies field, simply click into it and start typing the name of the blocker task. That's the task that needs to get done first. For example, type Choose Brand Colors if that's what needs to happen before the logo design. Asana is pretty smart about searching, so as long as you know the task name or a keyword, you should see it pop up in the results. Select it from the list by clicking on it, and just like that, you've linked the tasks. You'll see that the dependent task now shows Blocked By with the name of the blocker. And if you open up the blocking task, it'll display that it's blocking the other one. This is super helpful, not just for you, but for anyone on your team who's checking in. It's clear, it's visible, nobody has to guess what's holding up progress. One of my favorite parts, Asana automatically keeps you updated. When someone completes the blocker task, the thing that was holding everyone up, the assignee of the dependent task will get a notification that their work can begin. No manual follow-ups needed. That means fewer missed messages and less worrying about whether people know it's their turn. And that's all it takes to link your tasks in Asana using dependencies. It's a small step, but it has a huge impact on how smoothly your projects run and how confidently your team can move from step to step. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions about linking tasks or managing workflows in Asana, drop them in the comments below. I'm always happy to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials like this one. See you in the next video.